Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to make your League of Legends on the full screen. So at first, all you have to do is just go on the taskbar and right click on it. And as you do that, open your taskbar settings at first. And as you open it, go in the option taskbar behavior and just tick mark this option right here, automatically hide the taskbar. And as you do that, just open your right client at first and launch your game. And as you launch your game, all you have to do is just wait because it takes a while. And guys, as it launches, you can see at the right top corner for that setting option. So just click on there. And as you click it, you can see the option right here, window size. So just select this and select this 1920 into 1080. And as you do that, you can see for yourself the game is on the full screen. So guys, that's how you make League of Legends on the full screen. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.